How to change the status of an asset? Move an active asset to in stock. Go to the asset table. Select the required asset. Click the View Asset icon. Open the Action tab. Click Update Status. An active asset can be moved to in stock, but it cannot be directly moved to repair or scrap. Select In Stock. Select Level. Enter the reason. Click Update Status. The asset status will be updated successfully. Go back to the asset table and verify that the asset status has changed from active to in stock. Now, let's see how to send an asset for repair. Note: only an in-stock asset can be sent for repair. Select an in-stock asset. Click the View Asset icon. Go to the Action tab. Click Update Status. Select Send to Repair. Select Level. Enter a description explaining the repair requirement. Click Update Status. The status will be updated successfully. The asset will now be moved to under repair status. Then, let's see how to scrap an asset. Note: you cannot scrap an active asset directly. First, move the asset to in stock, and then you can change its status to scrap. Open the required asset. Go to the Action tab. Click Update Status. Select Scrap. Enter the scrap description or reason. Click Update Status. The asset status will be updated successfully. Go back to the asset table and verify that the asset status has changed to scrap. In this way, you can easily manage the in-stock, under repair, and scrap statuses of assets in ePrompto. Thank you.